Hello again and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add admin on Facebook page using mobile. If you are new to the channel, please leave a like and consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So let's hop into our Facebook and choose the page that you want to customize. In my case, I'm just gonna use this page right here. Okay, so now go back to the menu, scroll down, then tap on Professional Dashboard. Scroll down again until you see the Tools tab. Then, tap on Page Access. Now if you don't see the page access, you can tap the See More button and it might be there. Inside, you can see the people that have access to this page. Now, just tap the Add New button at the top right corner, hit Next, then search for the people that you want to add or give access to. After choose someone, you can give the full control of the page as well if you want that. Then, just tap Give Access, and when you go back, you should see that person right here. Well, I hope this one helps. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.